Hello friends, thank you for your enrollment in the Big Data Analytics course. So let us move on to Big Data. That is, what is Big Data? Big Data is actually big. Big Data is an evolving term that describes any voluminous amount of structured, semi-structured and unstructured data that has the potential to be extracted for information. Now we see here are the multiple definitions of Big Data. Wikipedia has defined Big Data as: Big data is a collection of data sets so large and complex that it becomes difficult to process using on-hand database management tools or traditional data processing applications. We have another definition as: big data refers to a group of data that are so large and unwieldy that regular database management tools have difficulty capturing, storing, sharing, and managing the information. And the Gartner says, big data is high volume, high velocity, and high variety information asset that demand cost-effective, innovative forms of information processing for enhanced insight and decision making. As you could see, multiple organizations are defining the big data in their own words. So in a nutshell, we could say that big data has no standard definition. Data and data. Big data is generated every nanosecond. Big data is being generated by everything around us. Every digital process and social media exchange produces it. Billion users are there on the social media platform which are generating data. Business transactions are contributing in big data. System, sensors and mobile devices transmit it. Every minute of every day we create more than 204 million email messages, over 2 million Google search queries, 3,600 new Instagram posts, nearly 350 new WordPress blog posts. Big data is arriving from multiple sources at an alarming velocity, volume and variety. To extract meaningful value from big data, you need optimal processing power, analytic capabilities and skills. Now we will move on to the big data origination and how it is growing. Data is growing at an exponential speed, and where we have crossed the stages where the data was measured in gigabytes and petabytes. Every single second is generating data, and we have reached a stage where exabytes and zettabytes are the units for big data. And if data keep on growing at such speed, then what will be the future? But who is generating big data? It is only us who is generating big data. Our daily activities and eager to innovate and explore new technology is generating data, and the contribution in it is supported by our mobile devices, sensor technology and networks, social media platforms and scientific instruments. And we could conclude here that we are drowning into the sea of data, and it would be better to say that data is everywhere. We have explored certain facts for big data explosion, but these are recorded few years back in 2009. That is how much data is being generated by Google, Facebook, eBay on a monthly and the daily basis. Now we could imagine if the data generation 6 years back was in terabytes per day, then what would be the rate at which data is generated today?